Hi students. Now the eccentric angle are the parametric equations. Parametric equations of hyperbola. X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 or x equal to a secant theta and y is equal to b tan theta. These are the parametric equations of the hyperbola. X square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. Parametric equations. So this is the hyperbola. This is auxiliary circle. Auxiliary circle. Px comma y be a point on the hyperbola. Pn is the ordinate. The tangent at the point P meets the auxiliary circle at P dash. So this is the C is the center. If P dash Cn is equal to theta, then theta is called eccentric angle. Theta is called eccentric angle. Okay. Let Px comma y be a point on the hyperbola. Pn is the ordinate. Ordinate. That means what? Draw Pn perpendicular to this transverse axis. The tangent at the point N meets the auxiliary circle at P dash. If angle P dash Cn is equal to theta, then theta is called eccentric angle. Theta is called eccentric angle of the point P. Now this is radius of auxiliary circle. This is A, and this is tangent, and this is normal. Angle is 90 degrees. Now from the triangle P dash CEN, cos theta is equal to, what is cos theta? Right angle triangle, cos theta equal to, so this is adjacent side and this is hypotenuse. So this is the P dash C by CEN, that is equal to, so this is the radius of auxiliary circle, and this is Cn is what? So this is x and this is y. X comma y means what? So this is x by x. So this is cos theta is equal to, implies x is equal to what? A by cos theta, that is equal to A secant theta. So x equal to A secant theta. Now x comma y lies on the hyperbola. So x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Where x square is, so this is a square secant square theta by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. So these two gets cancelled. Implies y square by b square is equal to y square by, so this is b square is equal to secant square theta minus 1, that is equal to tan square theta. Since 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta, therefore tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. Therefore y square is equal to b square tan square theta, implies y is equal to b tan theta. Therefore x is equal to, here this is x is equal to a secant theta. Therefore x is equal to a secant theta and y is equal to, this is b tan theta. B tan theta are called the parametric equations. okay, are called the parametric equations. So, and the parametric coordinates means what? So, this is parametric coordinates A secant theta, comma B tan theta. Simply, it is denoted by P theta. Next one, the equation of chord joining 2 points. Equation of chord joining 2 points whose parametric angles are alpha and beta. That is P alpha and Q beta on the hyperbola. On the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is x by a. So, this is cos of alpha minus beta by 2 minus y by b. So, this is a sine of alpha plus beta by 2 is equal to, so this is a cos of alpha plus beta by 2. Equation of chord joining 2 points whose parametric angles are alpha and beta. So, P alpha means what? So, this is P alpha and Q beta means alpha comma beta. That means by using 2-point form where P coordinates are A secant alpha and B tan alpha, and the Q coordinates are A secant beta and B tan beta. So, these are the parametric. So, by using the 2-point form, just take an ellipse. So, this point is x1 by 1, this point is x2 by 2. By using 2-point form, so we have to find the equation of chord joining the 2 points. So, this one is, this one. So, if the chord is a focal chord, suppose if the chord is focal chord, chord is a focal chord, means it passes through focus. So, this is focus is what? AE comma 0 implies it passes through focus. Passes through focus AE comma 0. Then implies what? Passes through E. So, AE comma 0 in place of x and y, write AE comma 0. So, this is here AE by, so this is AE by A into this is cos of alpha minus beta by 2, and this is 0. is equal to, so this is cos of alpha plus beta by 2. So these two gets cancelled. E is equal to, this is cos of alpha plus beta by 2 by, so this is cos of alpha minus beta by 2. So that is what E means, what? E by 1. Now by applying this componendo and dividendo, same as it is in case of ellipse, what we are doing, so everything is same. By applying componendo and dividendo, that is, write E plus 1 by E minus 1. E plus 1 by E minus 1 equal to, so this is the cos of alpha plus beta by 2 plus cos of alpha minus beta by 2 by, this is cos of alpha plus beta by 2 minus cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Applying componendo and dividendo. So this is equal to cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B equal to 2 cos A cos B. So this is 2 cos alpha by 2 into cos beta by 2 by cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B equal to minus 2 sin A sin B. That is equal to minus 2 sin alpha by 2 into sin beta by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. That is equal to, this is equal to, so this is cot minus cot alpha by 2 into cot beta by 2. So this is what? This is E minus 1 by, so this is E plus 1 by, this is E minus 1 is equal to. So if you take minus is taking common, so this is what numerator is 1 plus E by 1 minus E is equal to minus common. There also minus gets cancelled. So this is it. This is cot alpha by 2 into cot beta by 2 implies this is 1 minus C by 1 plus C is equal to, so this is 1 minus C by 1 plus C. So you write 1 by cot means tan alpha by 2 into tan beta by 2. So this is one result. So here, and also squaring on both sides. So this is E square equal to, this also one result, E square is equal to, so this is cos of cos square alpha plus beta by 2 by cos square alpha minus beta by 2, E square equal to. But E square is equal to what? That is A square minus, this is A square plus B square by A square. This is the hyperbola that is equal to, so this is same, implies if for cross multiplication this is, so this is what, cos square alpha plus beta by 2 by, so this is cos square alpha minus beta by 2 by cross multiplication, so this is a square plus b square into, so this is cos square alpha minus beta by 2 is equal to, so this is a square into, so this is cos square alpha plus beta by 2. Next one, the equation of tangent at p theta to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is, so this is x secant theta by a minus y tan theta by b is equal to 1. Equation of tangent at the point p theta to the hyperbola. So the point is what? A secant theta comma b tan theta. So what is the equation of tangent? Equation of tangent is S1 is equal to 0. S1. What is S1? xx1 by a square minus yy1 by b square minus 1 equal to 0. Now x1 y1 is a secant theta, b tan theta. So this x into a secant theta by a square, y into b tan theta by b square minus 1 equal to 0. So a cancel, b gets cancelled. So this is x into secant theta by a minus y tan theta by b is equal to 1 or minus 1 equal to 0. So this is equation of tangent. And next term, and the equation of normal at p theta is ax by secant theta plus by tan theta. So this is by tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. Equation of normal at the point p theta, ax by secant theta plus by tan theta equal to a square plus b square. Okay, what is equation of normal is? Equation of normal at the point x1 comma y1 is a square x by x1 plus b square y by y1 is equal to a square plus b square. So this is at the point x1 y1 normal equation. What x1 y1 is what? A secant theta, b tan theta. Therefore that is a square x by x1 x1 is a secant theta plus b square y by y1 is b tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. So a cancel, b cancel. Therefore that implies that is equal to, so that is ax by secant theta plus by by tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. That is the equation of normal at the point x1 comma y1, or that is a secant theta b tan theta. Next one, the condition that the line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0 is a normal. To the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is a square by L square minus b square by m square equal to a square plus b square whole square by n square. So condition for normal. So this is the hyperbola. Suppose this line is a normal. This is normal. The point is, let the point is what? P is a secant theta comma b tan theta. This line is given, this line Lx plus My plus N equal to 0. The line is a normal. Here Lx plus My plus N equal to 0, it is a normal. Is a normal. Now take a point on the hyperbola. The point is what? A secant theta b tan theta. Now at the point x1 y1, that means at the point theta, equation of normal. So equation of normal at the point p theta is, what is the equation of normal is ax by secant theta plus by by tan theta is equal to a square plus b square. This is second equation. So 1 and 2 both represents the same line. This is a normal, this is also a normal. So 1 and 2 represents the same line. So comparing their coefficients. What is the coefficient of, so this is what, x coefficient is L by x coefficient is a by secant theta equal to m by b by tan theta is equal to, you write that side because this is also that side, minus n by a square plus b square. So this implies, or right here, this is equal to L secant theta by A is equal to m tan theta by B is equal to minus n by A square plus B square. Implies secant theta is equal to, equating to these constant, that is minus NA by L into A square plus B square, and equating these two, tan theta is equal to minus Bn by, so this is m into A square plus B square. Now by eliminating theta, now the relation between secant theta and tan theta is what? Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So eliminating theta, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to, here secant square is what? Squaring n square a square by L square into A square plus B square whole square, minus this is B square n square by m square into A square plus B square whole square. Now secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1 is equal to, there you can take n square by A square plus B square whole square is taking common. So this is A square by L square minus B square by m square. Okay, now this you can take this side, so this is A square plus B square whole square by n square is equal to A square by L square minus B square by m square. Okay, so this is the condition that the line Lx plus My plus n equal to 0 is a normal to the hyperbola. One example. Now the product of the product of perpendiculars from any point on the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 to its asymptotes. Is constant and is equal to a square b square by a square plus b square, and is equal to a square b square by a square plus b square, product of perpendiculars. See, so this is one asymptote and also this is one asymptote and this is the hyperbola. So these are tangents. So if any point on the ellipse, let the point is you can take a secant theta and b tan theta. So this is a point, and asymptotes are x by a plus y by b equal to 0 and x by a minus y by b equal to 0. Now the length of the perpendicular from the point P to this line, length of the perpendicular from the point P to the second line. Now their product, that is the question. Now length of the perpendicular from the point P, a secant theta and b tan theta to the line this is 1 by a into x minus 1 by b into y equal to 0 is length of the curve is mod of ax1. So this is a, x1 is a secant theta, ax1 is 1 by a into a secant theta plus b by 1 by b into this is b tan theta minus 1 by b into, so this is minus, or you can take, if you take this is a plus, this is plus, b into, so this is b tan theta by root of a square, so 1 by a whole square, 1 by a square plus b square, 1 by b, 1 by b square. So these two gets cancelled. So this is a cancel, b gets cancelled. Now similarly the length of the perpendicular from the point P to the second line, 1 by a into x minus 1 by b into y equal to 0 is mod of, so this is what same as, so this is secant theta minus tan theta by 1 by a square plus 1 by b square, a root of. Now the given question is what? The product is product of perpendiculars is equal to, so this is secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta. So this is secant square theta minus tan square theta by root of into root of this. So you write one time. So this is 1 by a square plus 1 by b square. So this is what? 1. So this is 1 by taking LCM, a square plus b square by a square b square, that is equal to a square b square by a square plus b square. So product of perpendiculars from any point to the hyperbola to its asymptotes is equal to constant. Just write down. Next one, if the distance between two parallel tangents to the hyperbola x square by 9 minus y square by 49 equal to 1 is 2. Then their slopes is equal to. Then their slopes. Slope or slopes. First option 5 by 2, 2 by 5, 5 by 3, minus 5 by 3. Distance between two parallel tangents to the hyperbola. So we know that equation of tangent to the hyperbola in slope form. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square plus b square. If you take plus, you get one equation. If you take minus, you get one equation. Both are parallel. That is equation of tangent to the hyperbola in slope form. Y is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square m square. This is minus b square. A square m square minus b square. So that is equal to mx plus or minus root of a square 9 m square minus 49. If you take plus, you get one equation. That is y is equal to mx plus root of 9m square minus 49. Y is equal to mx minus root of 9m square minus 49. So this is second equation. Now distance between the parallel lines is what? That is the distance between parallel lines is mod of c2 minus c1 by root of a square plus b square. So this is the formula for distance between the parallel lines. Okay, this is c2 c1 or c1 c2, c2 minus c1, that is equal to distance is equal to the mod of c2 minus c1 root of 9m square minus 49. minus of minus plus root of 9m square minus 49 by root of a square plus b square. So this is m square plus 1 is equal to what? This is given 2. That is 2 given. Okay. Therefore, this is equal to 2 times of root of 9m square minus 49. 2 times is equal to cross multiplication. 2 times of root of m square plus 1. So, these two gets cancelled. At squaring on both sides, 9m square minus 49 equal to m square plus 1. So, by take this side, 8m square is equal to 50. M square is equal to 50 by 8, 25, 4. Okay. Therefore, m square is equal to m square 25 by 4 plus m is equal to plus or minus 5 by 2. But in the given options only 5 by 2 is there. So therefore m is equal to 5 by 2. In the given options, if it is minus is there, minus 5 by 2, so that is also correct, but it is given only one option is given. Okay, and one is topic is there, that is called rectangular hyperbola, that we will discuss the next class. Thank you.